name's Whitaker Knight. I work with the town of Hilton Head Island. I'm originally from Auburn, Alabama. Grew up there, born and raised. I went to Auburn University, studied horticulture. After I graduated, I moved to Hilton Head for my first job. 2.5 years ago, I moved to Charlotte, North Carolina, working for Quail Hollow Club as the horticulturist. Worked on several projects, installation projects there. Did some in-house maintenance, partnered with the arborist on some tree health care programs. Now I've been with the town for about 4 months and kind of doing all the same thing that I've done in the past, just in a combination of different ways. So right now the town is really focusing on trying to improve some of the landscaping enhancement installs at our parks, trying to make it a little more friendly, safer around some of the viewing corridors. And so it's a great opportunity to just kind of partner with the landscapers and kind of guide them where the town's wanting to go, but then also communicate back and forth between the town and the professionals working for us. I love working for the town of Hilton Head as the landscape and grounds manager because one, enhancing the landscape and the aesthetics of the island really just improves the culture and the quality of living here. People want to visit the parks more often, people want to come. It's different from other vacation spots. I think that's why Hilton Head has been top 10 island to visit for the last couple of years now. And so now with this emphasized effort on landscaping improvements, it's just going to add that much more character to the island and make us stand out from everywhere else.